Pleasure to welcome to the stage Kyung-min Lee from Morphing not AI, I. So this is your kit. Yeah, are you set to go? Yes, that's your slide.
Yes.
Wonderful. Well, can't wait to hear.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kyung-min Lee, the CTO of Morphing and standing here to introduce about our Morphing bot solution. The problem we are addressing is significant. We use tap water every day, but do you really think that the water pipes are well managed? Not at all. Dirty internals and problems from leaks and sinkhole are making huge economic losses and safety issues every year. Globally, the governments are taking this problem seriously and investing a lot of money. Then what is the problem? The problem was technical limitation. First of all, the water pipe robots were not small enough to explore the small types of water pipes. Secondly, their explorable length was only 100 meters, maximum 300 meters, which was still far from sufficient. Thirdly, the only way to detect a leak was try to listen to the sound while walking on the ground and make a guess there would be a leak or not. So Morphing came up with this innovative solution. AI pipeline diagnosis and prediction solution using our own cutting-edge robot. You can make a continuous observation of the internals using our robot, and with our AI solution, you can detect the leak and or other problems. Let me introduce what is so different about our solution. First, miniaturized sized. We made it small enough to fit into all kinds of water pipes. Secondly, we can explore up to 2 kilometers at once. Thirdly, we came up with our multimodal AI solution that could detect 5 different classes of the water pipe status. This is the value our Morphing makes. We increased the maximum exploration length, reduced exploration cost, and made AI prediction services up to 5 classes, and we streamlined the diagnostic process. We made 4 MOU with 4 local governments last year and made observation up to 27 kilometers of various types of water pipes last year. And with the data we collected last year from this project, we made our multimodal AI solution. The market potential is immense. We start with the domestic water pipe market, but eventually we're targeting not only the water pipe, but also oil and gas pipes. So only in 3 years after founding, we made cumulative revenue of $40 million. And with our first investment this year with pre-valuation of $32 million, we are looking for another quantum jump of our sales. So our CEO was one of the executives of LG Group, leading the whole new technology businesses in area of big data, AI, and blockchain. And she was headhunted to COO as a COO of Hancom and had some experience of becoming a CEO there. She has doctor's degrees of engineering in Yonsei University and actively working as a government member. Our COO and CFO are the members from LG CNS who worked over 20 years with our CEO, and our team members graduated top 3 university in Korea of engineering major, including myself. So we're making a great impact and differences, and we're expanding our business to global now. Thank you for your time. It is Stella Lee from Morphing
Thank you so much for the representation. So who has a burning question right now? Stephanie, looks like you are ready.
I'm already ready to ask my question. No, thanks so much. It was super interesting. I have to admit, I'm not down into technical details of water pipes or gas pipes. So my question is the following: what is the need of adaptation you see between different regions within water pipes and gas pipes? Are there regional differences?
I'm not sure I got the question right.
So in case where you would expand internationally, would the standards change, and so would you need to adopt a different technology to inspect?
Yes, of course. It should be different technology while the robot goes inside the water and goes inside the oil. And gas should be more different than that. So we're making some investment to the oil gas pipeline robot right now.
And what's the degree of complexity to do these kind of changes to your product?
Actually, we're working on the oil pipelines, and I should say the 50% of the technology is different from the water. But yeah, we are trying our best because we are getting a lot of contact from global companies that they need the robot for oil pipeline, and it would be more expensive sales for us too.
You said that the exploration length was 100 meters before your innovation, and now it's 2 kilometers. But why is there still a limitation? If it's a bot, why can't it just go forever? So what's the problem?
Actually, a lot of people ask us that why does it have the limitation? But actually, water pipe robot has to have the line, so it's line, and the weight of line makes the robots goes down when it goes over 2 kilometers because it's quite heavy.
Is that a power line, or what kind of line does it need?
Cable line, yeah, that brings powers and the data. And the government and a company who is managing the water pipe doesn't want it with no cable, because if there is an accident of loss of robots, like it's a disaster. They have to dig out the water pipe and find one, and that's a big issue.
Conscious. So to find where is the leak is important, but where is the leak? How do you identify it?
Our AI solution is multimodal solution. We use the image data and acoustic data.
So you include some sort of like distance calculations that can help us to know how long is the travel.
I'm not.
Following. I mean, a distance you travel, right? You have to find out where to fix it, right? So you need to know the distance, the travel distance. So do you incorporate some
Yes.
technologies to help you, like a GPS? But in the pipeline, you don't have GPS.
Yeah, GPS
right?
doesn't work. The
So-
cable does the work of the
A wire?
Yeah, wire knows the spot where the leak is. Like
Oh, use wire to calculate the.
yeah.
There is a possibility to fix the leak if it's just a small one, or to only locate it?
We are trying to make it as an on-device AI that could do the fast fix for the leak. Like we are trying, but not for now. Well, maybe we could make some collaboration with the fixing robot. So we detect the position and we put the fixing robot and fix it.
Okay, so we'll have to wait until at least next year to hear about a robot plumber from this stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's such a pleasure having you on stage. Thank you. And we are actually on time.